How to create a checkout page in GoDaddy website builder. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a checkout page in GoDaddy website builder. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in GoDaddy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoDaddy, it is a well-known American web hosting and domain registration company that primarily serves individuals, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. And GoDaddy has grown to become one of the largest domain registrars in the world, managing tens of millions of domain names. And the company offers a wide range of services beyond domain registration, including web hosting, website building tools, professional emails, and online marketing solutions. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description, or you could also click the login button or the sign in button on the top right in here. After that, it will ask you what are some features of your website needs. You can choose your sell with an online store and click confirm. And below, you also need to enter what kind of business do you have. So let's say from here, I'm just going to simply enter or search here the e-commerce. So all you need to do is wait for it to be searched in here, and it will show you the result below. So can you click this one and click continue. And also, it will ask you what should we call your business. Just enter here your business name. For example, I'm going to enter Phonetics as the business name. And after that, you also need to enter on how people can visit your site in here or contact you. At this point, you also need to enter about the description of your business or skip that part. After that, it will show you in here that you have now successfully creating your website. All you need to do is wait for it to load, since it is creating all of your suggested info. Once done, it will show in here what your website looks like. From here, you can start customizing this one, including some of the text, the images in here. All you need to do is to click on it and navigate on the right side panel to see some of the editing tools that you can change, including to customize the homepage, shop, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and many more. And it will show you on this pop-up window some of the plan that they offer that you could also choose depending on your needs. While on this pop-up window, it will show you some other option. And just click continue my site button to proceed. And it will show you in here some of the updates. And to start adding a product and also creating a checkout page in here, the first thing that you need to do is simply choose here or click the option that will lead us to our dashboard. But from here, you could also click the add products in here. By clicking on it, you'll be directed on the page where you can import a product or add a product manually. I'm going to choose add a product, and after that, the same will enter the required information, and that includes to add images in here. So for example, I'm going to sell a mobile phone since it is a Phonetics website name. So I'm just going to simply upload here a file or the images in here, which is this one. By selecting it, just click insert button. Once done, you also need to select the product type, which is physical, the product name in here, for instance iPhone 17 Pro Max, and below just enter the price or the sale price in here also. Besides it, you also need to select or enter here the product category, the SKU, tax category, with here as the standard as the default one. And under add category, you can also add here depending on your preferences. Now from here, you can also enter here the description, the inventory options to track the inventory. For example, just enter here the quantity, or if you want to make it limited edition in your store. Aside from that, you could also create another kind of options in here, add-ons for buyers, engraving, gift wrapping, and many more. Now in this option, you can now click the save button to proceed. Or you could also navigate to use artificial intelligence in creating the description, then click insert button. Now from here, you can also navigate the shipping option in here to enter the weight of the products, the dimension of it, the length, width, height, and also navigate below how do you want to determine the shipping cost. And once done, you can click the save button to proceed. You can also navigate the search engine in here to see the product links. Now upon saving all of this, it will show you that we have now successfully added the product in here. And to create a checkout page, it will show you what it looks like on your website. However, you can also navigate to add your payment methods, such as to link your bank accounts, your PayPal, Stripe, depending on your preferences, to receive the payment when a customer tries to pay for the products or order in here on your website. While under this dashboard, it will show you some of the overview, and that includes your performance, including your sales, your analytics, and any other report that will help you to track the progress of your website or business in here. Under the store section, you can navigate some of your products, orders, categories, and many more. You could also upload some of the things that are needed in selling here products in here on your website. So now to add the payment methods, you could also navigate to my store section. Under overview, you can click edit payments to proceed, since you already now successfully add the product. Upon doing so, you can choose different kind of bank details and add your payment option in here. Or alternatively, you could also first visit your website in here to see some of the things that are needed to fill out or complete to proceed selling successfully on our website in GoDaddy and creating a checkout page. Or you can click under store section the settings button in here or option. By doing so, you can navigate here some other things, including to add your product details, business information, and click here the checkout page, since this is where we're trying to create. You can configure the checkout fields option, and I'm going to require a customer a shipping address and phone numbers, since that is the basic information that are needed when a customer are purchasing our product. If you're not done, you can now also navigate to add the tax info in here, the payments, such as here, as you can see already connected my PayPal account. You can choose to connect or enable offline payments in here. Just enter your other preferred option. But at this point, I'm just going to simply disconnect my PayPal in here and enable this accepting offline payments. You can also provide your own instruction for payment for the customer and any other details that you want. And now that you already navigate to input or check the checkout page, the next thing that we need to do is to simply visit our website to see what it looks like. So upon going to this website section on the left side panel, just click edit website to proceed. By doing so, you'll automatically be directed again on this page, and you should be able to see here the phone that we just add the product in here under these featured products. So when a customer try to visit this and click the shop now button, they will be directed on the checkout page where they can start checking out this product that we are selling in here, and also add their payment methods that they preferred. And overall, that is just how you can create a checkout page in GoDaddy Website Builder. Thank you.